A Wantable? A Wantable workout clothes. I want to be working out. I don't. Be right back. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, take just a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do these unboxings pretty regularly, but I do all kinds of fun stuff, and you won't want to miss a minute. And if you're a regular subscriber, thanks so much for joining me again today. I really appreciate it. Tell me in the comments what time it is that you're watching this. I love clothing boxes, so when they offered to give me this one free just to try out this particular style edit, I think is what it's called, I jumped on it. So it was a free box. You still have to pay for the clothes that you're gonna keep, but no stylist fee. And here's what she said to me. It's upside down. Hey Michelle, welcome to your first fitness edit. I've chosen the latest styles to complement your active lifestyle, whether you're hitting the gym, yoga mat, or running around town. Take the next 5 days to decide what works for you and send the rest back. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. Let's dig in. I don't really exercise that much, but I am losing weight. Oh my goodness, I love, love, love this. See what I did there? It says love, love, love. I actually really do. Oh, I think I gotta keep this one. I really do. Because I love it. Isn't that what we're doing here? Are you kidding me? Is this part of what I'm getting? Because I also love, 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 love this. I love, 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 love this. Okay, I'll stop being stupid. It's got a little tie here. I don't know what to do about this. Yeah, this is ridiculously soft. Is this a workout shirt? Makes me want to be skinny. Is that what the workout clothes are supposed to do? I don't know, but that's what it makes me feel like doing. Oh man, this is so cute. Look at this. It ties right here. Well, it doesn't tie, it buttons. Buttons right there. It's a little jacket. It's a nursing jacket. I've been nursing a lot of years. That makes me think of a nursing jacket. That's cute. Tell me in the comments how many years you've nursed. I love this too. But you know what? I don't like holes, so I can't buy this. If it didn't, I just saw, no, can't do holes. Gone. How cute are these? These are yoga pants. Cute yoga pants. I think they're navy blue, but I can't tell. Are they black or are they navy blue? I already have a pair of purple of these. Not these, obviously. Similar. These are cute. For your phone or your money or your credit card. Genius. People are geniuses. Clothing designers and stuff. Genius. What's this now? Oh, it's a little hoodie. A very comfy, not thick, hot hoodie. Just a cute hoodie. What do you wear this with? Do you put a tank top under it? Why won't that? I can't tell if it's out of focus or if my eyes are blurry because I'm so old. But that is... Is it wrong of me to say that I liked my style edit, my workout clothing, better than I liked the regular one? Shh, don't tell anybody. Thanks so much for joining me today. Should I get everything? What? Should I get it all? Am I ever gonna work out? If I get it all, will I work out? I think that's it, right? If I get it, I have to work out. Maybe I shouldn't get it. Tell me what I should do. See you real soon. Bye.